What the hell? Is that a bomb? Something just showed up on the map.
What just showed up on the map?
Look at, I don't know. You gotta let me know.
Oh, it is it's a satellite.
And
there's a truck. Oh, there's a bomb. You gotta disarm the bomb. Where is it at? Let's see, it's next to a lake. Interesting. All right, well, let's go do this. I guess we should rush, maybe?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's rush. Wait, location tags. Let me get, shh, I forgot my hat. Because if I'm going out in style. Wait, bomb diffusing hats engaged. It can wait, the bomb can wait for style. There, I think we're good now. All right. All right. Ooh, it's chilly out. Should I rush or something?
Where do we gotta go?
Oh, we're right here. See the little dot? Right here. That's where the bomb is, next to a building. It's not my building, so I don't care. Let's just go.
I didn't even get it. Oh my god.
All right, we'll get jogging. We'll jog it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, brisk jog. You gotta make sure the hat doesn't fall off. Again, we're gonna ride this baby down. Oh crap, my hat's falling off. There we go. Yeah. We're gonna say hi to the neighbors. Well, they're gonna want to pay me extra money for saving the building they just moved into. All right. Run. We'll keep running. They're gonna look at us.
We still going the right way?
We're still going. There's ducks. Watch out, ducks. We gotta save the ducks.
Okay.
Save the ducks. No, we'll keep going. No, you're not there yet. Right over there. I'm here to save the geese. That's why I do this. I'm saving the ducks. Not this building. I'm saving the ducks. Don't worry, ducks. They'll have places to play. That's where I am. That's where the bomb is. I'm getting nervous. What if there's a timer on this bomb? Why has it got my logo on it? This an inside job? All right, well, let's take this off. This is gonna get intense, so we gotta make sure that we're good. All right, open this up. Oh crap, we only have 1 minute, 22 seconds. I do not know what the password is that's pre-scripted in this video. Let me try 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I might have ESPN. Whew. That was close, okay? That was really close. I mean, the ducks could have taken it. I could have gone out in style with my Yosemite Sam hat. But the good news is the hero saves the day. The hero always saves the day. So the cool thing is, this can be you. We have 4 of these Ares Alpha bombs / control points that we're gonna be using in all our games. And we're gonna be live streaming these objectives for all Mirror Tactical games, well, most Mirror Tactical games. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a quick couple videos, quick couple segments that show and showcase the Ares Alpha's full potential, and you'll get to experience these at one of the Mirror Tactical events. Shut out! Okay, only the few will get that one. All right, so I got my Ares Alpha pad here, and we're gonna look at what is actually occurring when we set up a game. Now, there's going to be like a bunch of different landmarks set up. The bomb props are gonna be set up. People are going to, our COs are gonna carry these pads. So you're going to see where the COs are on the facility. You can then set up the game and actually have players move around. You can see that right there. We're not going to do that because that's going to take up too much bandwidth. However, we're going to try to get our refs on the field so that they can be tracked as well. So you can always pull up the app and see where every one of the admins is. But the real cool feature about these Ares Alpha is that we can do this at any single facility that we have. And we can also not only do the bombs, but we can also mark things like here you can see the town, the boatyard, the basement. So these maps are fully interactive. So in case you don't have a paper map. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Yes, it is excellent. And here at Mir Tactical, we are the largest event producer in the United States. Okay, we have the most events, the most friendly events to all different skill levels, and we sell out quite a bit. And because we have really unique places to play, like our Operation Blacklist, sold out. We got our Pandora's Box at Short Forest, one of the killer fields out there. We open up with our Red Dawn event, which is a big, just like free-for-all for noobs out there. So no matter what event that you go at Mir Tactical, you're gonna have a great time, and it's gonna be not that intimidating. Okay, and again, all our events are so friendly for new players as well as experienced players at some really cool places that no one else gets to play at. And one of the benefits, the perks of signing up is sometimes we have secret events at secret places, and only the people that register for those events get access, like our first game at our new facility in the UP in Northern Michigan, Calumet Air Base. So new things, great things, new props, new interactions for the whole gameplay are here at Mir Tactical, and we'll see you out at one of these events. Make sure you go to mirtactical.com/events for more information. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Are you going to one of my events?
Yeah, I gotta go to all of them.
Let's say no. Say no.
No.
Get out!